Welcome back. Now it's that time of year when we start preparing our home for the holiday season, and one of the areas that inevitably needs some decluttering is the refrigerator.
I found some water on a shelf in a refrigerator and I don't know how long it's been there or if indeed it's water. Is that wrong?
I think that might be Legionnaire's disease.
Oh my goodness. Apparently it's not uncommon for people to have items in there that are years past their expiration date, David. So how do you get your fridge back into order? Here's Suze Massara.
It's cluttered, it's overcrowded, and there's just stuff everywhere.
It's something that every family can relate to. A fridge that's overrun and out of control.
There's no order in here. Everything is all over the shop. We've got yogurts, we've got fruit on all different levels. They need to come together.
How are we going to start this process?
Getting everything out, looking for anything that's expired, we're going to throw it away and get everything organised.
We're going to be ruthless.
Ruthless.
So give me your love. I need it. Give me your heart.
It's imperative to check the dates. So as you can see, this is 2014. It's got to go.
I need it. Oh, yeah. Oh,
So
yeah.
mince can only be frozen for 12 months and then it has to be frozen.
Need it. Give me your all.
It's amazing to think this was all stuck in that fridge.
Yes.
How much food is it?
It's a lot of food and a lot has been thrown out as well. Okay, so basically I have put everything into like items again so we can really get an idea of what we have. Dairy, meat, oils, vinegars, sauces, and then we have dinner leftovers.
What's the rule with these?
Okay, so anything kept in the fridge can be kept for about 3 to 4 days. Anything frozen leftovers, about 2 to 6 months. And a tip for your leftovers is always write the date so you know what date you actually put it in the freezer.
Anita, what's going on here?
These are frozen oranges. They never freeze anything that has water content, like celery, cucumber, watermelon or oranges. They do not thaw well.
So the big question is, how are we going to get this all back in the fridge in an organised manner? This is where organising expert Anita Birges comes into her own.
One of my big tips when organising your freezer is definitely invest in one of these, a clear fridge or freezer bin. They separate and organise everything beautifully. Then also we have up here a nice little roller drawer. Out here I've got your ice creams and your ice blocks.
So nothing gets left behind at the back to just be forgotten about.
Nothing. So you can just pull it out and you can really see everything. Always store your meats, fridge or freezer, in the bottom shelf. If they leak or something drips out and it drops on another food, it can contaminate the food underneath. Something we're going to do before we put everything back in the fridge is put this little thing in here. It's called a Cool Mama. It's going to keep your fridge deodorised, keep everything fresh. It's $19.95 from King of Knives. Another fancy thing we're going to put in here is a Lazy Susan. These are things that this family use on a daily basis, so it's easy to see. And you can pick it up for under $10 from Kmart. So in this fridge previously, we had one of these storage items, which are great, but we're going to replace it with something a little better.
Okay.
This is a porter stack. Not only now can we put our soft drinks and wine, but we still have a shelf, which increases our storage space in this whole fridge. It's really important to have everything clear and visible in a fridge. So I've used these rolling clear drawers. So we've got all our yogurts here and we've got all our cheeses here. Something I've done here to get the excess storage out of this deep drawer is add in some dividers. So now we've got all our beans on one side and our grapes and sultanas on the other.
And one great tip to always remember.
This is the warmest part of the fridge, so keeping things like sugary items, vinegary items or oily items last the best on this side.
That is an excellent tip. And so many good tips from today. I actually cannot believe how different this fridge is.
I think we're going to have a really, really happy mummy here.
Yeah.
I'd
And
like her to come and fix my
I
fridge.
was going to say, for Christmas, wouldn't that be great?
Oh, someone come over and fix my fridge.
For more tips on how to declutter your fridge or any other area in your home, check out Anita's website, miseonplus.com.au.
Oh,
There
it's
you go.
French?
It's French.
Oh, look at you, Sonia Kruger. I thought you were German.
Do you know what it means?
It's a place where you put your miss.
It's a place for everything, I think.
Oh,
That's
is
what
it?
it means, yeah. Everything has its place.
Mise en place.
Mise en place.
Mise en place.
Just ahead, the latest headlines from the newsroom with Deb.
Plus rumours.